In this video, I'm going to show you some of the custom label options that are available in NRGship Pro for UPS. So from the shipment screen, we can override defaults, and I'm just going to show you some of the quick options here. If we click on the printer icon and we go to extended usage area, the default is generally none, and that's going to print your standard UPS 4x6 label. If we go in here and we pick Shipment Label Header, it's going to print an additional 4x2 area below the standard 4x6 label. And normally this would be printing with information like the tracking number, the package count, the cost information, and things like that. If you were using the UPS dock tab stock, then you would peel off that little 4x2 label and maybe you put that onto a packing slip or an invoice or something else that you're using internally. The next option we have in here is custom label message. And often this is used for customers who are printing things like gift boxes where they want to add some additional information on a label. So we'll select custom label message here. And now we have an option here where we can edit the information that's going to print on the label. So when we do this, we see a few different fields for data. One is a reverse bar. The reverse bar is going to appear at the bottom of the standard 4x6 label. And sometimes maybe you'd put in text like perishable, depending on what your product is that you were shipping. And that way maybe the UPS driver is going to see it. And then we have additional fields like message A, message B, and then this larger box here for a large text string. Message A often would be something like a gift for, and message B would be like a gift from. And if we just click on sample here, you can see that. If we go back to the settings here and we go to logo, we can also put a logo on the bottom of a package. So if we hit edit, we can see here that we've got a little graphic that was added in here, a 4x2 PNG, and that would then print at the bottom of the label before or below the UPS 4x6. And again, here's a sample showing how that logo looks. And the last option we have is a QR code. Again, we have some fields for text. We have a field for the URL, which is the actual barcode that shows up. And if we look at the sample, you can see here we've got our QR and then those two text fields.